Welcome everybody. Today in this video I am cooking fried chicken, white rice with some gravy, and yes, my fried chicken is coated with flour, but within that flour I made a breading. So what did I put in my breading that I used to coat the chicken? A little bit of salt, a little bit of white sugar, maybe a teaspoon of white sugar, but a pinch of salt, and black pepper, cayenne pepper, paprika. What am I leaving out? And garlic salt and all-purpose seasoning, Maggi all-purpose seasoning. That is what I used to do my breading. Some people just do the pure flour with some salt, but I take it a little further by putting all those seasoning to enhance the taste. When you eat a chicken, it doesn't just, the crust doesn't just feel like plain flour. It is tasty. When frying chicken, you're gonna use a little more oil than when you're brown stewing. You're just browning it and cooking it down with some water. Frying takes much more oil. So you're gonna preheat your oil for maybe 2 to 3 minutes before you add your chicken in. After adding your chicken, you allow it each side to fry for about 12 minutes before you turn it on the other side, and that should do it. Another way how you know your chicken is fried properly, you can stick the fork in it, and when you lift the chicken, you will feel that the chicken is lighter and no blood will be spilling from that meat. On to making the gravy. This is what I used to make this gravy. I have some chopped carrots and I saute them with the herbs that I use, like onion, green scallion, sweet peppers, pepper, tomatoes. Use what you like. Use those of your choice. Then I add some water, add a teaspoon of vinegar, the same seasons that I use to make the batter, add them also. This time I use brown sugar instead of white sugar, and let it simmer. Add some ketchup and voila, you have some gravy.